नमो नमः. Learning Sanskrit verses. Verse number 69. Yauvanam Dhanasampattihi. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar. Mumbai, Tuesday, July 21st, 2020. In part 1, we studied the prose sentences which preface Hitopadeshe Mitralabha. We also studied the 10th Dashamam Subhashitam. Now we shall study the 11th Ekadasham Subhashitam. Yauvanam Dhanasampattif Prabhuttvamavivekiта एकैकमप्यनर्थाय किमु यत्र चतुष्टयम्. पदच्छेदः. यौवनं धनसम्पत्तिः प्रभुत्वम् अविवेकिता एकैकम् एक एकम् अपि अनर्थाय अनर्थाय किम उ यत्र चतुष्टयम्. Note: for compound words having sandhi inherent, their padachhedaha are also shown in parentheses. Anvayartha. Yauvanam, youth. Dhanasampattihi, wealth. Prabhutvam, lordship. Avivekita, indiscretion. These ekaikam api, even when one by one, anarthaya, unarthaya, would cause impropriety, disorder, chaos. Yatra, where, chatushtayam, they are four together, tatra, there, kim, what, would u, really, bhavati, happen. Padabhyasa. Yauvanam. Yauvana, Napusakalingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Yauvanam, yuvan plus hayanananta yuvadibhyon 5.1.130. This is the sutram from Ashtadhyayi. Iti an. So, an is the pratyaya which is affixed to yuvan, and that is how one gets yauvanam. Yuno bhavaha tatparyaya tarunyam iti amaraha. So, yauvanam means youth. Dhana sampattihi. Dhanam cha sampattihi cha etayoho samaharaha. Dhana sampattihi. Affluence of dhanam, liquid cash, and sampattihi, fixed assets. Prabhutvam. Prabhutva, Napusakalingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Prabhuhu, Pullingam, Prabhavati iti. Pra plus bhu plus duhu, Prabhu, Lord. Prabhutva, lordship. Avivekita, na vivekita, na tatpurusha. Vivekita, strilingam, vivekin plus tal. Vivekitvam, vivekino bhavaha. Viveki, vivekin, pullingam. Vivekin is the pratipadikam. Viveki, pullingam. Vivekaha asya asti iti. Viveka plus inihi, one who has viveka. Vivekaha, discrimination, judgment, discernment, discretion. Ekaikam, ekam cha iti ekaikam. Anarthaya, anartha, pullingam, chaturthi ekvachanam. Na arthaha iti anarthaha, na tatpurusha. Arthaha, propriety. Anarthaha, impropriety, disorder, chaos. Chatushtayam, chatushtaya, Napusakalingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Chatushtayam, chatvaro avayavaha yasya. Sankhya avayave tayap. So tayap is the suffix pratyaya which added to chatush ततो रेफस्य विसर्गे सत्वे च कृते ह्रस्वात्तादौ तद्धिते. 83101. So there are these two sutras which are coming into play to get Chatushtayam as the word for a group of four. Iti Shatvam, that was the conclusion of that Sutram 83101. Chando Vishlesham. Yauvanam Dhana Sampattihi. Ashtakshirani. Na Sampattihi, because of Tihi, Pa also gets Dve Matre. So Etesham Matraha Eka Dve Dve. Prabhutvam Avivekita. Ashtakshirani. Viveki. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. एकैकम् अप्यनर्थाय. अष्टाक्षराणि प्यनर्था. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. किमु यत्र चतुष्टयम्. अष्टाक्षराणि चतुष्ट. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दोत्र. स्वाध्याय. This Subhashitam brings to mind another Subhashitam, which is sort of a poetic rhetoric. The Subhashitam is Markatasya surapanam tasya vrishchikadansanam tanmadhye bhuta sancharo yadva tadva bhavishyati. As such, it is not difficult to translate it directly. Markatasya, of a monkey, surapanam, drinking alcoholic drink. Tasya, his, vrishchikadansanam, suffering a sting by a scorpion. Tanmadhye, in that state, bhuta sancharo, being smitten by a ghost. What will be the result? If so, yadva, this or tadva, that, bhavishyati, may happen. In the Subhashitam Navya Yauvanam Dhana Sampattihi, there is a question, kimu yatra chatushtayam? What if all four together? The Subhashitam Markatasya Surapanam provide the answer. Yadva tadva bhavishyati. There can be nothing but chaos. The moral common to both Subhashite is that be always alert that impropriety and indiscretion will not be there, or they would remain under check. Actually, Yauvanam Dhanasampattihi Prabhutvam would not necessarily be anarthaya. It is indiscretion, avivekita, which will cause anartha. Maybe the perspective is presented better in some other Subhashitam. Shubhamastu.